My name is Wendi and I heard about MAT through Carrie Collette, my nutritionist. I have been struggling with my spine for a couple years now, and my chiropractor has been doing adjustments on me on a regular basis, and my adjustments aren't holding very well, so I figured this would incorporate the healing process. Since I started MAT, I have noticed my results during my yoga practice especially. My alignment, my balance has improved dramatically. I do have some issues with my neck, and I've been working with a chiropractor for those things, and my adjustments aren't holding very well, and MAT kind of balances the muscles to help the adjustments stay. I'm a hairstylist and I stand for very long hours and with my arms up, and she has given me the capability of being able to work longer without being in pain. I would absolutely recommend MAT to everybody. Julia has been helping me find balance in my life. She's helped with pain everywhere. I've had an issue with my shoulder for about 1.5 years. Massage therapists have worked on it, chiropractors have worked on it, and she just touched it just for a few minutes, and I cannot believe that my pain is gone. I have been able to sleep better. My life is improving every single day. Julia has come into my life at the perfect time, and we will grow old together.